In today's video, I'll show you how to create Instagram Reels voiceovers using ElevenLabs and turn your script into realistic AI-generated narration. Whether you're making tutorials, product showcases, motivational clips, or entertaining videos, a clear voiceover can make your Reels more engaging and easier to follow. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and head to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll create your AI voiceover. Next, prepare your script. Since Instagram Reels are typically short, keep your message simple, direct, and easy to understand. Now, choose a voice from the available voice library. Browse through the options and select one that matches the tone and style of your content. Once you've picked a voice, paste or type your script into the text editor. Before generating the audio, review your text for spelling and punctuation to ensure the narration sounds as natural as possible. Click the Generate button and wait a few moments while ElevenLabs converts your text into speech. After the voiceover is ready, listen to the preview carefully. If you'd like to improve the result, make small changes to your script, try a different voice, or regenerate the audio until you're satisfied. When everything sounds right, download the audio file and import it into your video editing app. Then sync it with your footage, captions, and music to complete your Instagram Reel. Testing different voices and script styles can help you create reels that sound more professional and capture your audience's attention. And that's how you create Instagram Reels voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.